Today, I'm going to show you how to rank #1 on Google using Claude Cowork. This is a complete beginner's guide, and Claude Cowork is open over here. I'm going to guide you through exactly how to rank with this, how to use it to rank, etc. You can see an example for a target keyword that we wanted to rank here. So if we type in Google Jitro onto Google, you can see that we're ranking #1 on Google here, and then also on Google with our website, Twitter, Reddit, etc. Right, even with a post from someone else's Twitter here as well. Right, so we're ranking multiple times, and the images over here. Right, so I'm going to show you how to use Claude Cowork to help you rank like this on Google so you can get more customers, more leads, and more traffic to your website. Thing to note here is like the business dominating Google right now, usually they aren't smarter than you, right? They're just using better tools than you, and that's exactly what Claude Cowork is. Now, if you're wondering, okay, what even is Claude Cowork? Basically, you can see it open inside Claude Desktop here. So this is Claude Desktop, and this is Claude Cowork inside the tab here, right? So Claude AI is an AI made by a company called Anthropic, right? You want to think of it like ChatGPT, but smarter at following detailed instructions. Claude Cowork is a desktop app that lets Claude control your computer, right? You can open your browser, click around websites, read data, write reports all by itself. So you tell it what you want it to do in plain English, it does the work, and that's pretty much it. Now, why does Claude Cowork matter here? Why are we using Claude Cowork to help us? #1, before tools like this existed, ranking on Google took a team. You needed like an SEO analyst, content writer, researcher, link builder, strategist, etc. That team would cost you anywhere between £5,000 to £15,000 per month, right? Minimum. Now Claude Cowork can do most of that work in an afternoon. And basically what it can do is it can look around your competitors, read real data, tell you exactly what to fix. And that's the difference between using something like ChatGPT that doesn't understand you, your business, or your website versus using something like Claude Cowork, which has a lot of context on your business. It understands you and it can actually control your computer, right? So it's like having a team of AI agents that run 24/7. And that's exactly what we're doing for AI SEO here. Now, here's what you need to get started on this. So you don't need to be technical. You don't need to really know anything about SEO to do this. You do need Claude Cowork installed. Ideally, you have a website or a GBP and logged in tools, ideally like Ahrefs or SEMrush, right? Now, when you're doing this sort of process, you want to have it open inside a tab here. So for example, if we have this open with my website over here, we can have that ready to go so that Claude Cowork can control our tabs later. So what we've actually got over here is we have Claude as an extension on Chrome set up, and then that can control my desktop, can control my website, can check through my sites, etc. So let's talk about what the actionable steps are, right? So #1, step #1 is really loading your business brain into Claude, right? And this is a step that everyone skips. It's why most people get useless generic outputs from AI. Before you run any prompts, you need to feed Claude all of your business details, right? Think of it like an employee on a new day, right? You wouldn't let them start working without knowing who your customers are, what you sell, who your competitors are. Claude is exactly the same. So once you load this context, you want to paste every single prompt below. And basically, this is the information that you have, right? Now, I'll show you an example of how you can actually get Claude to automate this, right? So if you use an AI day to day, it's going to have a lot of memory and details on you, right? So for example, I can paste this into Claude and say, fill this out based on what you know about me, right? And if you use ChatGPT day to day, if you use Gemini, if you use Claude, etc., it will already have that information on you inside Claude AI because it's got the memory, as long as you have the memory features switched on, right? So you can see here, for example, it has the information on our business, most of it, not all of it, right? Like, for example, it doesn't have our address and everything, but we actually don't need that exactly. But we've got that, the 80/20 of that automated with Claude. And if we wanted to add more information to it, we can always edit it and customize it before we paste it inside here. Right. So here you can see we've got all this information, right? And now you want to save this inside your projects. So if we go to projects here and we'll create a new project, we'll start from scratch and we'll call this Claude AI SEO example, right? Claude Cowork AI SEO example, right? And then what we can actually do is we can paste in the information here. We'll download that as a Microsoft document, right? Word doc. And then we'll drag that and we'll paste it inside the drop files here, right? So you see how we're saving a project locally with context on who we are and what our business is, what Claude Cowork actually does, our project location. And if we click create, that's going to train Claude Cowork on exactly who we are, what we do, etc. Right? And so now here's the master plan for your business, right? So you can, if you're not a local business, don't worry about this, but you can basically use this to help you audit your Google business profile. You see a bunch of prompts right here in terms of how you can do that. And then #2 is like your website, right? I'm going to focus on my website just as an example, but if you do want to use this for Google My Business and this full section right here, what I actually do is I'm just thinking about the best way to do this. Do you know what? I'll put it inside the Profit Boardroom. inside the classroom section here, if we go down to AI SEO Automation, and I'll add this section inside the AI Profit Boardroom, link in the comment description, or just go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com to get access to this. And what I'm going to do is take this full guide, like more pay site. There we go. All right, so you can get that inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Just go to the AI SEO Automation section here. So if we've gotten back to this now, from here, what we want to do is start using this for our website, right? So we've got, for example, the keyword gap audit. So we've got all this information on context about us, and now we can actually use these prompts inside our process, right? So for example, here, let's take this example right here, right? What we can do here is we can say, if we go back to Claude Cowork, we can say open Chrome and log into my Ahrefs account, Ahrefs. You can use this for SEMrush as well. Go to the keyword gap tool, enter my domain, right? So for example, juliangoldie.com and these domains. So let's say, for example, one of my competitors was Goldie Agency. Another one was juliangoldie.co.uk. And let's say, for example, another one was goldstarlinks.com, something like that, right? Filter, blah, blah, blah. And you can see filter results to show only keywords where competitors rank in positions 1 to 20, but I don't rank at all. Then filter to match all these, blah, blah, blah. And we'll put that information right there, right? So we're good to go on that. So these are our competitors that we want to rank for, right? So we're going to click on Let's Go inside this project here. Now, also what you can do, if you want to save this stuff, you'll see this project section, right? So if we want to come back to this later inside Claude Cowork, we've got Claude Co-work AI SEO over here, right? Now, if we go back to Chrome, what this is actually going to do in a second is load up the tools, create a to-do list, track the progress. So you can see here, it's actually organized it into a nice structure for doing the keyword research. And then it's going to start opening Chrome, right? So you can see here, it's actually navigating to Chrome directly inside our browser, right? Which is pretty cool. So in the meantime, we can go back to the guide, but you can see here, it's actually going off and just doing the SEO for us, right? Directly. Now, we could do this for other stuff too, right? So it's actually navigating to Ahrefs and the content gap. So you can see here, if we have a look, Claude Cowork is controlling our screen in the background whilst I'm guiding you through the rest of the topics. So it's pretty cool how this works. Like it's going off, it's using Ahrefs, it's gathering data, and this is working like a team in the background that an SEO expert would actually do without us having to get involved at all because we're using the AI to help us. Now, you can also do this, for example, for like money page audits as well. So we could actually go inside that project and we could go inside projects here, click on this one, and then give it another task here, right? And you can run multiple tasks at the same time using this process. So for example, like auditing our money pages, creating pages on our website, etc. You see how these prompts, they combine multiple things. So for example, this one, my target keyword pattern is this. Here's what we're going to do. And so these are all different prompts. You can use this for diving into your Google Search Console even, right? So if we give it this prompt, it will actually use Google Chrome to navigate our Google Search Console and analyze the data in there and just do a deep dive, right? So basically what this is, your Google Search Console data contains data most business owners open, panic at, and immediately close, right? This prompt basically helps you make sense of all of that. So here's why it matters, because hidden in your Search Console are dozens of keywords where you're ranking on page 2. And page 2 rankings are one optimization from page 1, right? So it's the fastest free traffic you can unlock. So if you use a prompt like this inside Claude Cowork, it can help you understand, okay, where am I ranking page 2? And then how can I re-optimize my existing content to rank page 1 for this, right? And so there's so many different prompts inside this guide. You've got, for example, backlinks and authority to the competitor backlink audit. What this is, a backlink is when another website links to yours. Google sees that as a vote of confidence. The more trusted websites are linked to you, the more Google trusts you. And so what you can actually do here is you can go to Ahrefs, log into your Ahrefs account, and then go to Site Explorer and analyze and export their data on backlinks, and then analyze it for 2 other competitors too. And then you'll figure out, okay, these are where my competitors are getting backlinks, so here's how I can get backlinks too. And so you can see here that it's navigating through Ahrefs in the background as well, right? So that's how you can use Claude Cowork for AI SEO, how it works, etc. We've got a full step-by-step process inside the AI Profit Boardroom on how to do this. But just to recap here, in terms of all these different prompts that you can use, so Claude Cowork is an AI tool that controls your computer and does your SEO research for you. Before everything else, load your business context prompt so Claude knows your business inside out, right? Your Google business profile is your most powerful local ranking tool. Most businesses have barely touched it. And GBP categories, attributes, reviews, posts, services, descriptions, and photos all affect your rankings. Now, you can actually get Claude Cowork to help you optimize those directly. Now, your website also needs dedicated pages for every service in every city you want to rank in. And page 2 rankings are your fastest win, right? They're just one optimization push. and they'll jump to page one. So you can audit all of this stuff with Claude Cowork. And then backlinks from the website, from the right websites, matter far more than hundreds of random directory links. Now, how do you figure out which are the right websites? You get Claude Cowork to analyze and audit your existing pages and your competitors' pages to see where they got backlinks from previously. And then you can do scheduled tasks. So you could say, okay, like once a month, go off and audit my Google Search Console. Once a month, go off and check what keywords I'm ranking for. Once a month, check where my competitors are getting their backlinks from. And you can set up recurring tasks over here using Claude Cowork. And that's basically it. That's a full guide to Claude Cowork, how it works, how to use it for AI SEO, and how to start ranking with it. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more about SEO, if you want to get a custom tailored game plan for your website, if you want to start ranking #1 with AI SEO, you can get a free SEO strategy session at goldie.agency. This is basically how we take websites from 0 to 145,000 visitors per month and generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in sales on autopilot with SEO. So if you want to learn more about that, feel free to book in this free link building acceleration session to grow your business. And basically you'll get a free SEO domination plan, one-to-one on the call. You'll discover the secret is SEO link building. You'll get your questions answered. You'll learn the best link building strategies for your website, plus how to quickly outrank your competitors and how to 10x your SEO traffic based on what's working for us. So you can book that in at goldie.agency, link in the comments description, or go to the website directly. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.